Welcome back. In this video, we shall use a practical example to explain the state feature in React. So let's say we want to display to a user if they are connected to our service or not using states. We are going to achieve this using the class-based component and state feature like so. First of all, let's put in our import statement there and let's generate our class structure, and let's say root comp right there. Let's get rid of this state here. The next thing to do is to take out this error here that says expression expected by just passing in a div tag here. That's all for now. So the first thing to do is to initialize our state, and to do that, that will be done in a constructor method which is going to take super and also which is going to take an object of our state. So let's say is connected, set to true. Now in our render method, we want to render a JSX element that is going to say you are disconnected from our service or you are connected to our service. So to do that, let's come here, let's declare a variable that is going to be connection status. So let's say connection stat. This is going to represent the status of our connection. So there we'll say if this.state.is connected is true. If the person is connected, then let's set connection start to a string that will say you are connected to our service. Or else let's set connection start to a string that says you are disconnected from our service. Now let's save that. Now in our return statement, where we are going to be returning our JSX element, or let's say our HTML, we are going to say pass this in the paragraph tag, and we are going to say connection start here. So connection start is what we are going to render to our screen. So let's run this and let's go to our browser to see what's happening. Our server is running fine. Let's go to the browser and let's run this. As you can see, it says you are connected to our service. This means state is true currently. If I change this to false and I go back there, you are disconnected from our service. Now there is something I want to point out here. If you have a condition or a logic to set, you should do that in the render method, just like I did here, except you want it to be a standalone method. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.